A federal judge in Texas has just temporarily stopped President Biden's new Parole in Place program, which would have offered legal status to hundreds and hundreds of thousands of spouses of U.S. citizens who have been residing in the United States for more than 10 years. The judge, Campbell Barker, has at least temporarily sided with 15 Republican states led by the state of Texas, who sued the U.S. government, saying President Biden's new rules was an abuse of his executive privilege because it will cost the states money in terms of granting driver's licenses and other benefits to now legal residents that would have otherwise not been legal. Of course, they forget all the taxes they're going to collect from these legal residents, or keeping traditional families together is a staple of Republican politics. Nevertheless, the Immigration Service is still accepting these applications. They can't approve them yet. It's only a temporary ban. And from speaking to my constitutional scholar friends, they feel that the legal arguments presented by these Republican states are much weaker than the legal arguments that were presented to try to stop the DACA and DAPA programs. These same arguments were used to try to stop the Haiti, Venezuela parole programs, and those lawsuits were ultimately dismissed. The question really comes down to whether legalizing immigrants is a net fiscal cost to states or a net fiscal gain to states in terms of collecting tax revenue. And there's different analysis depending on what side of the fence you sit on.